Shiitake Mushrooms.
Don't post that on YouTube!
Alright, so we got most of the presents stacked under the tree at this point.
How many presents?
Look at all those presents.
I just love
How many presents are for me? How many?
None.
How many presents are there for me?
Well, none because I haven't wrapped them up.
None?
yet.
But last year I had 37!
Oh yeah, but they're quite bigger this year, honey.
I want my presents!
Oh. Alright, so yeah, it's that time of year. And we're super excited. Love this time of... Whoa! Ow! Okay. Ow! London, off! Alright, jeez, I slipped.
You are clever.
This is why it is not a good idea to wear socks while walking on hardwood floors. So anyway, ow, get off me.
No.
But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for all the Christmas cards that we've received. We've received like 80 of them. I don't know, just a ton. And it just goes all the way down the hallway now. Like, look at this. And that's not even all of them because we're still having to write out more Christmas cards to you guys. And so we still have some that we need to open up and read and then send off Christmas cards. Really busy. It's keeping us busy, but it's been a lot of fun. It's been, I've had fun. Kayla's had fun. We've all had fun reading each one of these individual Christmas cards. I'm like out of breath now. Slipped and the kids are climbing over me. All right, so I want to give a quick shout out to a special fan. His name is, let's get this card down here. His name's Braden. He sent us this today. And I just want to say, oh, there we go. It's a polar bear. That's pretty cool, huh? Ooh, it like folds. Yeah, so thank you, Braden. And thank you, everybody else, for your Christmas cards. So keep them coming. If you guys want to send us a Christmas card real quick, how we can do so. I know Christmas is fast approaching, guys. The holidays are fast approaching. So, yeah, last chance. So Leland is supposed to be getting ready for Scouts. He has Scouts once a week. Tonight's the night. And Leland! He's not even in here. What the heck? Well, there's one other possibility. Leland!
What?
Oh, there you are. Scouts!
I have 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Hold on.
You got Scouts. What are you playing?
I'm playing Rocket League.
Oh. Well, we got Scouts, boy. And you're not even ready for Scouts.
What do I have to do?
I don't know. Just get ready for Scouts. I'm sure you don't look ready.
I'm fine, actually.
Alright. Well, if you guys want to see more gameplay from Leland and from me, head on over to Shiitake Mushroom Gaming, guys. And subscribe. We are getting so close to hitting 100,000 subs on our gaming channel. You need to get ready. So yeah, we're getting really close to having to dye this hair pink, as promised.
I want to
So be sure to subscribe if you're new, you haven't heard of us, our gaming channel before. Check it out, Shiitake Mushroom Gaming.
I just won the game for my team, Dad.
All right, great. Now you got to get ready for Scouts. All right, guys. So I am like this close to having a normal day. I haven't seen Alfie at all today, and it's been wonderful. There hasn't been any drama, and it's just been like a dream come true, guys. I'm finally gonna have my normal day. I feel like this is it, guys. This is my lucky day. Everything's just being normal, being relaxing, being peaceful. I mean, it should be peaceful, right? I mean, it's around the holidays. I mean, it's even in the song, right? All the songs are like peaceful and la-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da. So yeah, normal day, guys. I'm feeling it. talking about. That's not peaceful. Or the other songs. That's not peaceful either. Oh, come on, you guys know what I'm talking about. They're all peaceful. I like 98% of the songs about. Well, that's not nice. Those reindeers were mean to Rudolph. Like, that's just a load of crap. Leland! We don't have a minute or 10 seconds. We don't have a minute, 10 seconds. We have 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Boom, time's up. Come on, we don't have time.
Yes, we do.
Come on, you gotta get
It's only a couple seconds.
But you gotta get the scouts right now.
I'm getting beat. Hold on.
You can just save it and play later. Just play it later.
No, let me just do this real quick.
Leland, we don't have time. Okay. Leland's like, hey, mommy, daddy, can I please join scouts? So we're like, sure, yeah. You know, so we signed them up, and then I don't want to go to scouts. Then get ready. Get ready. Then just get ready for scouts. Okay, she started the van. Come on.
30 seconds.
We don't have seconds.
Yay, finally.
No, come on, let's go. Go.
26 seconds.
Let's go.
26 seconds. Just wait.
She started the van.
6.
Oh, look, she's out in the garage, Leland. She's out in the garage. And there she is.
I never get to leave the van.
You basically live there.
I drive. I everywhere.
Yeah.
I know. Where's Leland?
I told him to hurry. I don't know. He's.
Well, if he doesn't hurry, I'm gonna have to leave.
Leland, come on! Let's go. Come on. What's about flipping time? Oh, are you serious? Are you okay?
Yeah.
What'd you do, Trip?
Yeah.
Well, I can have some comfort to know that I'm not the only one to fall on my butt doing these videos. All right, let's go. Come on. Mommy's waiting on you. Not you, London. You're staying with me. All right, here goes Leland. No, London, stay here.
No.
You're staying with me. Just hop in. Why is he climbing through the window? Man, just get in the van normally. Oh my God. He's your problem now. Oh, I get a break from Leland. Let Carol worry about him for a few hours. Guys, so we are working on our next round of Christmas cards that we're sending to you guys, the ones who sent us Christmas cards. This is what you guys are going to be getting. And here's all our autographs, including London's red scribble. So that's what the red scribble is. That's London trying to sign her name. Now, there are a few of you guys, unfortunately, you guys didn't provide a return address. So there's like 5 or 6 of you guys that, unfortunately, we can't mail you guys a Christmas card because we don't have the address. All right, I think Leland is working on signing some more Christmas cards, the rest of the Christmas cards.
Right now, I am done.
Whoa, hey, whoa! Why'd you do that for?
Take this. I wanted to give you that, and let me play.
I told you can play, but we just needed it. 10 minutes, Leland. It takes 10 minutes. And then you can go back to playing. Oh. I apologize, guys. Leland usually enjoys signing his name on these Christmas cards, you know, for you guys. I guess today he really wanted to play on the Xbox. Didn't really want to. Oh yeah, he also had scouts. But okay, but you're doing this for the fans. So I apologize, guys. But oh God, get into the Christmas spirit. So, which are some of you guys' favorite cards so far?
Let me show you. I like all of them. It was actually sent just to me.
Just to you? You got a personal card?
Yeah.
My favorite are all
Let's take a look. Oh, it's from Nick.
Yep.
Nick sent you a personal Christmas card.
My favorite is everyone's.
Everyone's?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like we have a whole bunch out here
Like
now.
90.
Like there's just a ton of Christmas cards, all from you guys.
So much. These are the ones that.
Did you think we were gonna get that much?
I thought we were gonna get, like, I think we're gonna get even more.
Yeah, probably, huh?
I thought that we were just gonna get like 12, but
Yeah.
This is 93.
Pretty cool, huh?
Is this born in 93?
So what do you guys have to say?
Thank you so much.
Alright. It's bedtime, Leanna.
can I just make my sandwich?
Oh, for school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. You can do that. And I'll make sure Leland's in bed. School night. The kids need to get up early for school tomorrow. Leland, you gotta go to bed. Oh, cool. That was easy.
I'm in bed.
You're in bed. Okay. Good job.
I'm trying to sleep.
All right.
Get out. I'm trying to sleep.
Well, good night. Survived another day as a parent. What's up, guys? It's another morning. Kids better be up. All right, wake up! It's time for school. Time to get ready for school. You ready, Leland? Oh, good. Okay. Holy cow, he's actually out of bed. All right, that was easier than I expected. All right, guys, so here we are. It's another day, a day closer to Christmas. And let's take a look at our presents again. What the heck? There's no presents! There's no presents! Where are the presents? They were there. Wait, what? No, not again! So all the presents are gone, even my presents? There's nothing under them. Let me at him! Let me at him! Let me at him! Let me at him! I'm gonna... I can't take it anymore! I can't take it! I can't take it! I can't take it anymore!
Go!
He took our presents!
You get more mad.
What did I do? I was good. I was good.
You have kids!
I can understand taking his. Even hers. Maybe even hers.
Offensive!
But me? I was good. Alfie took all our Christmas presents. All of them are gone.
Not a
This can't be happening. Carol! All our presents are gone.
What? No.
Under the tree, they're gone.
Where are they? What'd you do with them?
I didn't do anything. I don't know where they are.
Did Leland hide them? Where are the presents?
Where are the presents?
Did you buy all of them and eat them?
Elfie was under the tree.
No,
Yeah.
that was so much time to wrap them and all that money.
What do you do? Take them back? Do you take them back?
How are we supposed to take them back?
I don't know. Anyway, it's trash day. I gotta take the trash out. Why? I was looking forward to Christmas. Had all those presents. I had some good presents under the tree for me. And now, just gotta take out the trash. I'd like to know what happened to those presents. This isn't fair, guys. I'm not part of this. I am not a part of this. This whole Leland versus Elfie, the elf on the shelf, it's between them. It's nothing to do with me. I shouldn't be punished for it. It's not fair. I'm just really annoyed, guys. Whoa, Leanna, you're going to school now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm just too frustrated.
I know. I'll see if I can get them back. I don't know.
That's rude of Elfie.
It was. It's messed up. All right, have a good day at school. Yeah, I agree with Leanna. It's a load of crap. Really annoyed. I can't even say it. I don't even. lost for words, guys. I don't even know what to say at this point. Leland! Leland! See, nothing under the tree. We're getting nothing under the tree!
What?
Oh, time to get ready for school. Where's your backpack? Leanna's already down there. So are the other kids. You're always the last one.
Not.
Okay, what did I say about backpacks on the floor? They need to be in your bedroom.
You said nothing. Important. Why is Leanna already down there? It's 7.
I think she likes to get at the very front of the line. Alright, you ready for school now? Ow! Why did you step on my foot?
Yeah.
This is why you get no presents.
Whoa.
What are you saying? Whoa. Oh, you can hear the train.
Yeah.
From way out here. Look at. There's the train. Way out there. They do sometimes, yeah. Gosh, just please behave. Please don't get suspended. Please just go to school. Don't skip school for anything. And please just let this be a normal day. Oh my gosh. It's not a normal day. Last night was actually normal. So maybe I did have my normal day because yesterday was normal. But then, right away, first thing in the morning, everything goes chaotic again. Where are those presents, London? Where are those presents? I gotta have my presents. This isn't fair. Like, nothing. No, nada, nothing. Just emptiness. I think I see the garbage truck coming and I still got one more I gotta take down. What, Carol? What? I know, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I know, I'm not stupid. I know the trash is coming. Oh my gosh, guys, this is really frustrating. Like, I even looked under this small tree here to see if there's presents there. And we don't even have presents under, what? We don't even have presents anywhere. Elfie, now what? Oh, there he is. What is he doing now?
Looking.
Wait, what?
Looking for your presents.
Presents? Check out the trash can. It's trash day. It's trash day. Put them in the trash. Crap, I think the garbage man came already. Please tell me the trash hasn't come. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. No, 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 London. He came already. He came. Our presents were in the trash. Carol! They're probably at the landfill now.
No.
He came already.
They came early.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's only 8:30. It's not even 8:30 yet. They usually come like around this time.
Elfie, I'm gonna.
God, are you serious? 4 Christmas presents thrown away.
Bring them back, Elfie, right now. Bring them back. I'll get you, your little elf and your little elf ears. You.
Well, the kids can't know. What are we gonna do? God, I'm out of breath. Ran all the way out there. Trash already came. God, I just want one normal Christmas. Lost our Christmas presents. Lost our Christmas presents. What are you doing here? You're supposed to be
Screaming, what happened?
We lost our Christmas presents.
What?
Elfie put them in the trash,
No.
and the garbage man came.
Did he actually?
Yes. So now we have no presents. I blame you.
Why do you blame me?
It's always you versus Alfie. The things you do.
That's not my fault, bro.
You gotta improve your behavior. Now I gotta figure out. Don't tell Leanna, she'll be devastated.
So does the elf. He literally almost destroyed our van. He came here.
It's like a week. It's a week till Christmas.
He came here. The first day he came to our new house, I accidentally smashed his legs. It wasn't on purpose.
Ah.
It wasn't on purpose.
Alright, well just. Oh my gosh. Don't tell Leanna. She'll be upset. Ah. I'm gonna have to like buy new presents for the kids. I'm gonna have to do something. Christmas is like a week away, guys. Maybe I can stop them in time. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Never a dull moment here. Our lives are just crazy. If you guys want to see more crazy videos, check out the playlist. Wait!